Hi, this is Kelly Imparato, and I am going to be doing a lesson with the kids today that is about using punctuation in a sentence. The lesson is for first graders. It's about the period, the question mark, and the exclamation point. These are my wonderful children that have agreed to help me out, and Lucy is my cameraman. All right, so hi kids, how are you? I'm glad you're here today. Christopher, could you do me a favor and read our learning target of the day?
I can decide when to use a period, a question mark, and an exclamation point.
Awesome, thank you. Can you guys think for a minute about what you think we might be learning about today? What does this learning target mean to you? Harry?
We're gonna learn about the punctuations and what they mean.
I love that you use the word punctuation. That's a really good word.
And what they look like.
Yeah, and what they look like. What punctuation specifically? Does anyone have any ideas? Yes, Harry?
Exclamation mark and question mark.
Yeah, and a period. Great. Thank you so much. Okay, so what we're going to start with today is we are going to watch a short video, and I will play that right now. It's kind of fun.
Hi, I am a period. I am used at the end of a complete thought.
That's my favorite part.
I am a question mark, right? Does anyone have any questions?
I am an exclamation mark. I am used for strong feelings. I am excited. Woohoo!
Okay, we're going to pause it there. All right, did you see the three pieces of punctuation in there? Did you see some, Susanna? What did you see in there?
I saw period,
And?
question mark, exclamation.
Awesome. Okay, I need your help. We have a little bit of an I Spy, okay? You're to stay in your seats during this assignment. I do not want you getting out of your seats. Is that clear? All right. When you have spied the punctuation in the room, you can indicate that you found something by raising your hands. I will give you a hint. It's all that way. The three pieces of punctuation we're learning about are in the room. I see Harry found one, Chris found one, and Susanna, the 9th grader, is the last to find one. Harry, you were the first to raise your hand. What did you find?
Can I say all?
You can say one.
Okay. I found the question mark.
Great, you may get up and go get it. Christopher, what did you find?
I found the exclamation point.
The exclamation point, you may get up and get it. And Susanna, what did you find? All right, you may get up and get the period. Bring them all over here, okay? Thanks, we will be using these. I'll put them down so you can see them. We're gonna use those in our lessons. All right, so the period is used for what kind of sentence? Anybody know? Harry?
A sentence like, I like to ride a bike.
Okay, a basic sentence, nothing fancy, it kind of just says a fact or an opinion, but it just is a statement. What about the exclamation point? How is that used, Chris?
It's used for strong feelings.
Good, used for strong feelings. You want to give me an example?
Oh yeah!
Ice cream truck.
Let's go.
Susanna, do you know when a question mark is used and how you would use that maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like for a question.
Okay, and a question mark is used for a question. That is really deep thinking. Can you give me some more specifics? Can you give me an example maybe?
That's a question. You just said.
Ask me,
It's
give me an example.
Right, yeah.
Okay.
Like-
I have some cucumbers.
Okay, I saw you use the word can. I have some cucumbers. Can is actually not on my little list of questions, but here are some words that was a good use of a
Do you
question
want
mark.
to?
Hey.
Oh, what? Who? Good. So Harry is like rocking it today. He is
Where
noticing.
are my pants?
Okay, let's keep that on. Let's. So here are some question words that you can use. Okay. A lot of times, question statements will start with one of these words here. Okay. All right. Moving on. I'm going to model for you on our sheet how we use these. You all gave me a couple of quick examples, and I'm going to ask you for some more examples. So let's use a topic that we're all very fond of: ice cream. Okay. Can anyone think of a telling sentence And what punctuation would we use with the telling sentence? Do you have any ideas?
Period.
A period,
Or
okay.
It could be an exclamation mark.
Well, a telling sentence is used with a period. An asking sentence is used with a question mark. So who can give me an example
Oh, I
of
meant
a,
an exclamation mark.
that would be with like an exclaiming, like a big statement.
Yeah,
It gets the exclamation point. To exclaim means to kind of shout, to make it a big outburst. So who can give me a telling sentence about ice cream? Chris.
People around the world invent ice cream with different kinds.
How about let's reduce that to a 5-word sentence like a first grader would give me. A small sentence.
Ice cream is really delicious.
Ice cream is really delicious.
Or that might be
That might be an exclaiming one. What do you think?
Okay, I got one.
But that's still a statement though. Susanna.
I'm eating ice cream.
I am eating.
Ice cream.
Does eating have 1 or 2 T's?
One. Right?
I often make that mistake. I'm serious. I am eating ice cream. Here is our period. It is a statement. Can we turn this sentence into a question? Using the same words, maybe adding one, can you turn I am eating ice cream into a question, Harry?
I'm gonna change a few words. Do you like eating ice cream?
Sure.